At BeSophro, our focus is on providing various ways to access the practice. Practicing regularly is what will bring about the transformation you're hoping for, so it's important to focus on it, even if it's just for a few minutes a day. You can start by simply listening to and following one of our free guided practices. If you have a specific issue you'd like to address, we offer a variety of courses on topics like sleep, mindset, stress management, letting go, or connecting more deeply with yourself. For those who want to practice and learn more about sophrology, why not read my best-selling book, The Life-Changing Power of Sophrology, which also includes 13 audio practices to guide you through the method. If you'd like to discuss a specific issue and seek one-to-one support, feel free to book a session with one of our sophrologists. Additionally, if you represent a company, sports team, or local group, we can tailor sessions to your needs, so simply get in touch via email. Enjoy the practice and let me know how you get on.